If you have ever built client facing application or marketing websites, chances are that you might stumble upon the case that you do want to show the users the banner asking for consent, or just asking what are the permission that you want to take from the user regarding the cookies, what to store on the cookies and such, so that you can show the personalized ads or so, or even take the analytics of the user. And there were few of the solutions in the past for integrating it on the JavaScript based front end frameworks, but what I feel is that they weren't that much of the developer experience friendly, and also the chances are that if you are building the web application that are that are performance heavy, then it might inject the script on the side that might affect the performance and everything. So I stumbled upon this framework called C15T, which is an open source framework for managing the cookies, and show the banner to the users. It is framework agnostic. You can integrate it on the other every any framework, but for in this demo I am going to show you uh, by integrating it on the Next.js application, because I feel that it does has really good developer experience or integration component with the Next.js. So it does provide bunch of components which you have to inject, which have to integrate in the Next.js application. It's tiny library, and so you can totally customize it. Has I8 support and everything. I have uh, I have Bootstrap Next.js application. You can do by just writing create next app. Uh, yeah, but you can use any other frameworks. And there is quick Next.js starter guide, which I am going to show you in the demo right now. Let me quickly do that. Okay, let me open my terminal and do npx cli generate. Yep. So you can do either the generate method that I recommend personally, because it sets everything, but you can also do manual setup by installing the bunch of packages, and it will, okay, I'll show you later. But yeah, there are mainly three ways of hosting your C15T server. I mean, C15T, yeah, it will act as a server, but there is a platform called consent.io, which lets you to roll up your own instance and view the analytics and everything. So it will provide you dashboard and such. You can use it on the offline mode where it will store the data on just your local storage and such. And similarly, you can just roll up your own consent.io server, which is the self-hosted option. For now, I'm going to go with the hosted option. Do you need to create the consent.io for now? No, but if you don't have, please do create one. The consent.io is just a platform where you can host your C15T server. You can just create a new instance over there. For now, I'll just say YT demo. For reason, I'll choose North Virginia, but make sure to choose the closest region for the users. It will seed some of the database, deploy the instance over here. Our instance is ready. This is the instance URL that I am going to paste in right now over here. Okay, let me quickly do that. Okay, let me quickly do that. So this is my server URL that I'm going to provide. Store the environment in the yes. Proxy request to your instance index, yes. So with this rewrite, what you can do is, like, whatever the request that comes on slash API slash something something something, it will get redirected to the our consent.io server. So uh, it will act as kind of redirection. Add a record dependency, yes. Okay, our C15T has been installed successfully. For now, I just want to click on the no. Yep, I think everything has been installed correctly now. Let's see what are the things that has been done by it. Okay, let me open my cursor. Okay, so here is my application, my code. So if you go to layout.tsx, it will add a provider and add a backend URL as well as the categories that you want to show. So basically, if you want to show everything, then just add the thing that over here. But for now, but the demo, I'll just put as the default one. But you can customize as per your need. Yeah, ignore geolocation for true, to always the view the banner everything, and it will just add another component called constant manager dialog, which is imported from the C15T slash Next.js. Right, other than that, it creates env.local file with that URL over here, install the bunch of packages. And so if you check the Next.js application and refresh the page, it's full now. Okay. Okay, I just quickly refresh my application and clear down all the cookies. So say there is few of the permission that I already created. That's the reason the cookies weren't be shown. But if you check, um, so if you can see over here, like it will show you the banner cookies banner over here. You can just click on the customize what are the things that you want to accept or so. So if you notice previously, so we have added marketing and strictly necessary previously. So it does show marketing. If you add other thing, then it will show all. For now, I will just click on accept all right now. So it will just accept it. And yep, so if you go to your applications and privacy consent storage, then it will show the bunch of your preference, so that next time if you reload the page, it won't ask you for that cookie banner, right? Mm, let me, yes, it doesn't show the cookie banner. So if you can refresh the page, yep, so everything looks fine. I want to quickly delete this local storage cookies, sorry, this object in the local storage. So I do want to show you how this actually works over here. So if I click on the accept all, it does call this set API, right? Called C15T slash consent translate, which provides you a bunch of your preference, and this will get stored on our dashboard in the consent.io. If you remember previously, I have created this instance over here where you can basically check where are the users, what is the number of the users at what time they have checked your application, and so, and what are the preference they have chosen upon. So I have already, so you can, as you can see, I can see the two consents over here. Yeah, they have clicked on the marketing functional and everything necessary, right? It's from the localhost for now. But I think that is all for what for the basic combination. But there are a few of the other thing that you can do, like example. Okay, let me quickly clear this. I do want to make the banner as well as in the banner in the dark theme as well. So for that, there is a place called styling, right? Color scheme called theme. So if I want to make it on the dark theme, so I can just go over here and say something like, what's that called? Okay, it's called React theme to dark, right? So light, oh sorry, color scheme is not theme, so it's color scheme dark, right? So if we do that, then if so you can already see the banner is in dark mode. So there are a bunch of customization that you can make. Basically it does provide a few hooks and everything. If you want more of more details or more, if you want to see how it actually works on the real project, so you can check my recent project called Humantrix. I have integrated C15T and it's working great for me as well. That's all for the video today. Thank you.